Good afternoon. Thank you all for being part of this media briefing today. We really do appreciate you coming and being part of this media availability. As you have heard from statements made by Prime Minister Trudeau and our provincial health minister and health officer, increased measures are being taken in the fight against COVID-19. The City of Surrey has taken steps to minimize the risk of transmission of the virus. Yesterday afternoon, I ordered the closure of all city recreation centers, ice arenas, cultural facilities, museums, pools, and libraries until further notice. This was a proactive measure that was done in the best interests of public health. For the time being, spring break camps and daycare facilities run by the City of Surrey are continuing based on the most current guidelines provided by the Provincial Health Officer and the BC Centre for Disease Control. These programs are a valuable service to the families who are working during this unprecedented time of COVID-19. We know the situation is fluid, and we are monitoring it closely with Fraser Health. So if the continued program of day camps and daycares is deemed unsafe for our children or staff, they will be shut down immediately. In these anxious times, we all need to look out for one another. That is why I am so disheartened when I hear of hoarding or panic buying of basic items, and worst of all, reports of people who are reselling these items to make a quick buck. To the store owners and retailers who sell these items in high demand, I urge you to put limits on them. To those who are stockpiling and reselling, I appeal to your basic humanity to stop this kind of behavior, because it's not only irrational, but you are benefiting at the expense of someone in your community. As we head into the next phase of the fight against COVID-19, it is vital that we have the self-discipline to follow through with health protocols that have been put in place to minimize the spread of the virus. I also want to remind everyone to take care of themselves, both physically and mentally. It can be easy to be overwhelmed by the daily rush of events. That's why it's so important to stay active by getting some fresh air. Take a walk, as I did this weekend. Go for a run or a bike ride in our beaches and parks. Conversely, getting adequate sleep is equally important. With our recreation programs affected, the City of Surrey will be posting on our website in the next few days videos by our fitness and yoga instructors that can be done at home. I hope our residents make use of them to help them stay active and mentally healthy. Finally, I want to make a special mention of our seniors. They are the one sector of our population where I ask everyone to do their bit to support them. Yes, we have to be mindful of social distancing, but that doesn't mean we have to lose all human connection. So pick up your phones, make a call, or FaceTime, or text a loved one or a friend. The best way to get through this is if we all come together and we look out for one another. Thank you very much for coming.